How to add multiple photos in WhatsApp status. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With the recent WhatsApp update, you can now add multiple photos to your WhatsApp status. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, update WhatsApp on a device. If you are not sure on how to update WhatsApp, then check out my video on it. The link is provided in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once updated, open WhatsApp on a device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the Updates tab available at the bottom. Then tap on Add Status. Your device gallery will open up. If you select any one photo, then only that photo will be selected. To avoid this and add multiple photos, tap on the Layout option. Now you can choose up to 6 photos, but I will select only 4 photos for now. Then tap on the green tick icon. If you wish, you can even change the layout structure from the bottom. Once satisfied, tap on the Done option available at the top. Now, you will be directed to the status creation page. From here, you can add music, stickers, text and more if you want. Finally, tap on the Share button. As you can see, my recent status with multiple photos has been shared. Tap on it to view, then tap on your number of status views. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to add multiple photos in WhatsApp status. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.